MKR or Maker token is the governance token of the Maker DAO and the Maker protocol, respectively a decentralized organization they are saying and a software platform. They are saying both based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows user to issue as well as manage the DAI stable coin. So it was initially conceived in 2015 and it was fully launched in December 2017. They are saying Maker is a project whose task is to operate the DAI, that is a community managed decentralized cryptocurrency with a stable value soft pegged to the US dollar. They are saying that MKR tokens act as a kind of voting share for the organization that manages the DAI. While they do not pay dividends to their holders, they are saying they do give the holders voting rights over the developer of Maker protocol and are also expected to appreciate in the value accordingly with the success of DAI itself. They are saying the Maker ecosystem is one of the earliest projects that were on the decentralized finance or DeFi scene. They are saying the industry that seeks to build decentralized financial products on the top of smart contract enabled blockchains like Ethereum. Now, if you want to know about the founders of Maker, then here is the answer. Maker DAO, the first entity inside the larger Maker ecosystem, they are saying was created in 2015 by Christensen, an entrepreneur from Sealand, Denmark. They are saying. So Christensen graduated from the university. This is the name of the university, that is Copenhagen University, with a degree in biochemistry, and he also studied international business at the Copenhagen Business School. They are saying prior to Maker DAO, he also co-founded and managed the Tri China International Recruiting Company. Now the thing that is making the Maker coin unique is they are saying as of October 2020 DAI, they are saying is one of the most popular stable coins. It is the 25th largest cryptocurrency, they are saying, at over $800 million in market capitalization, and also it has more active addresses, they are saying, than USDT. They are saying the largest stable coin on the market. If you want to read further about this coin, you can read it from here. You can see that in coinmarketcap.com this coin is listed over here, Maker MKR. When you open it, you will get this page. Let's refresh this page. Here the page is refreshed. You can see that the Maker coin MKR, it is on the rank number 42, and its current price in USD is $1,553.64 USD or dollars. That is 0.31% increased. Its official website is makerdao.com. That is this one. You can open it and you can explore the whole website if you want to know further about this coin. If you are interested in this coin, if you want to trade in this coin, this if you want to trade this coin, then surely you can read it, because it contains a lots of information about this coin. Then you can see that when you scroll it down, you will get the market cap value, that is $1,519,081,714, and the fully diluted market cap value is $1,562,505,255. Its volume is $187,762,939, and the circulating supply of this coin is 977,631.04 MKR. Here from here you will get the charts, and from here you can explore each tab and you will get the required information about this coin. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to watch my upcoming video that will be based on another crypto coin. Till then, stay tuned. Bye.